Dropshipping business. What is dropshipping? How you can start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business in which you don't have to worry about stocking or shipping products. Instead, when you get an order from a customer, you contact your wholesaler and they ship it to your customer for you. How does the dropshipping works? There are 4 simple steps in dropshipping cycle. 1. Customer orders the product on your store. 2. You receive the order from the customer. 3. Once you receive the order from the customer, you order directly from the supplier or the warehouse. 4. The supplier or the warehouse will process your order and ship directly to the customer. That's how the dropshipping cycle works. In that way you don't have to invest or keep the stock physically with you. Once you receive an order, only then you have to order the products. Dropshipping with Shopify. Shopify dropshipping is that it provides a lower risk approach for independent businesses to test out new product ideas and product lines, without having to own and pay for the product up front. It's a business model that allows many more people to participate in entrepreneurship in just $29 a month. Shopify have so many free apps which could help to build dropshipping store. The most common applications and the applications which have more number of users are: 1. Oberlo. 2. Spocket. 3. Modalist. 4. AliExpress dropshipping. There are some other applications in Shopify which could be used for chat support, email marketing, social media marketing. Most of the applications have free plans available, so you don't have to spend a lot to build your e-commerce business. How you can start your dropshipping business. You can start your dropshipping business by following these steps. 1. Create your store at Shopify. 2. Start importing products to your online store by simply using applications like Oberlo, Spocket, etc. 3. Market your business through Facebook, Instagram, or any other marketing tool. That's how most of the people have started their dropshipping business and earning while managing their business from home. If you need more information about dropshipping business, please like this video and subscribe my channel.